Ever wondered how to become a millionaire? Well, I've got the answer for you. In this video, we're diving into 7 income streams that will make you a millionaire and give you financial freedom. No more relying on just one income source. First, let's understand the difference between active and passive income. Active income is what you earn from a job, like a salary. But passive income is where the magic happens. It's money earned from investments or past work that requires little effort. Now, let's explore these income streams. Number 1, active income. It's what most of us rely on, but it's not enough. Number 2, transactional income. Buy low, sell high. It's that simple. Number 3, portfolio income. Money from investments like dividends and capital gains. Number 4, rental income. Rent out properties, vehicles, or even parking spaces. Just make sure your income is higher than your expenses. Number 5, royalty income. Get paid for allowing others to use your work or property. Number 6, capital income. Profit from assets like stocks or land. And finally, number 7, recurring income. Create a product or service that generates consistent monthly income. So, don't limit yourself to one income stream. Diversify and secure your financial future. Let's make that switch and become millionaires together.